Hi everyone and welcome on board the MSC Seaview. So this ship is absolutely jam-packed full of activities that you can do from morning till night, and in this video we're going to take you along and show you all the amazing things that there is to do. There's even ziplining on the ship. Yes, ziplining on a cruise ship, which I'm probably going to get Kev to do first, just to make sure that it's nice and safe. You alright with that, Kev? But yeah, let's go show you what there is to do.
This is the Forest Adventure Park. So this one has got, you know, these like little, what are they called? Little bridges, rope bridges in between. It's not like, if you saw the Virtuoso one, it's not like the high up where you have to wear a harness and stuff like that. This is more of a, you know, for the kids just running through and stuff. Adults can go on, we've been on, but yeah, that's all that is. It's just a little kids rope course kind of thing. Right, so we're on deck 19 now. This is the outdoor football and basketball little arena. It's not an indoor one. As you can see, it's just covered by netting to stop the balls going out. So if it's raining, you're going to get wet. They haven't got as many games going on here as we've seen on, say, the Virtuoso. But this one isn't all day either. This one is only certain times, so check your sheet, because depending on where you're docking and what time you're sailing and stuff like that, the times do change. So
yeah, there's not just like balls dotted around that you can just pick up and start playing. You've got to wait until they're open.
Yeah. So this is one of your pools. This is your pool on deck 16. Just by the big screen, you'll find it. This is like the main kind of pool area. I know it's not the biggest pool, but there is hot tubs as well. There's one there and there's two at the back. There is others on other levels, but if you get here early enough, if you want a full day of sunbathing, maybe you can try to get here early and get one of these nicer kind of padded by the pool sunbeds. They are a double. You can probably squeeze, mind you, I'd need one anyway, but yeah, the sunbeds do fill up quite quick on some days, a sea day probably, but the hot tubs, we have been in there, they are lovely and warm with the bubbles going. So your second pool is the Jungle Pool Lounge, which is indoors, but they have retracted the roof a little bit today because it is hot. So in here you've got a similar sized pool to the last one. Then you've got two hot tubs, one there and one there. And then you have got a bar behind, so you can sit in here and have a drink or sit on a comfy seat. They have got showers as well, so if you want to get the chlorine water off you. But that's about it in here. And then just over here is where you will find your ping pong or table tennis and your table foosball. Once again, these are time specific activities, so check your itinerary sheet for those. So on deck 7, on the aft of the ship, this is your Sunset Beach pool. It's a smaller pool, but this is more of a pool with a view kind of thing. And there's plenty of sunbeds down here. There is no jacuzzis that we have seen on this level, but there's a bar, and you're one down from the buffet. So if you're a bit of a buffet hog, this is probably the better place for you to go. But it's a nice place to, if you can get here early and get one of these, and imagine you were sailing off into the sunset, relaxing with that ocean sounds.
So Kev's braving the zip line. I walked up the stairs and I was like, this is way too high for me. So he's just there somewhere, he's getting all like geared up, so I'll try and catch him as he's coming past. I'm gonna ask him how it is, and maybe I'll do it one day, I'm not too sure. Here he comes. I can hear him wooing. Woo!
Oh God, I'm doing it! Oh God. We made it!
Here he comes. He's in one piece anyway, and he's smiling, so that's a good sign. How was he? Was it good?
It wasn't long enough.
I was going to say, you went quite quick.
Yeah,
It was going to go slower.
No, it was really good.
Did you feel really high then once you were up?
No.
When I walked up.
It felt really high at first.
Did it?
No, I had to stand on a platform that listed up
Oh, do you?
to hook you up and all that, and then you left it. You just sit in it.
What's it like dropping over that edge and knowing that
No,
your
you
weight
don't.
is going
You
like,
don't.
you?
You're already sitting in it, and there's a
So you don't have
release.
to, like, step
no,
over the
no,
edge?
No, you're sitting in it like a little seat.
I heard
It's really good.
woo-hoo!
Yeah. Now today it should be €10. It was €8, and it does come off your fun pass. So we weren't 100% sure about that, but it is part of your fun pass credit.
Are you going to do it again?
Oh, I'll do it again.
I said I really want to do it.
You
to
should
be
do.
brave, but
It's like 15 seconds.
yeah, even if I shut my eyes all the way down.
Yeah, you'll be fine. Let's see how she holds up getting hooked up.
The second one, I'll let you go like this. Say hi. Yeah?
Okay.
Then you can leave it and turn around.
Okay, yeah.
Go on.
Anche tu dici mamma mia, mamma mia. So, let's see. Is it mamma mia?
Oh, it was so good.
Told you it was
Yeah,
good.
I'm so glad I did it. Honestly, I was going to chicken out. Even at the top, I was thinking like, I can't do it. But it's just amazing, like ziplining like on a cruise ship. Like you've got like the open ocean. Oh, like it's so good. It's just that fear of like knowing that your weight is resting on like the harness, but it's absolutely fine. I love this.
We're in deck 7 now. This is like the bowling alley and where the games are and stuff. So just quickly, similar to our last kind of one of these videos with MSC, here's your fun pass and this is how it works. If you top it up on board, this is what you'll get. So you spend €150, you get 70 extra, you know, self-explanatory really.
Yeah, so you obviously you get the better deal doing it before you get on the ship. So make sure you pre-book.
Yes, we paid
Yeah.
£72 and got €140 worth of credit. Now it's for the Formula Racer, the bowling, the interactive XD cinema, the video games, we'll show you them in a second, and also, it doesn't say, but it's for the zip line upstairs. So, you know, make sure you include the zip line on that because it's well worth it.
And we'll show you up and over like the individual prices, so you know, well, if you work it out roughly, well, we'd like do that or that.
Yeah, I'll put a picture
Yeah,
on
we'll work,
now.
and then you can work it out and you can see roughly how much you might need on board to spend.
It's like, there's only a few little arcade games, basketball, there's 2 Mario Karts, like a teddy machine, and the ones where you can win like headphones and other bigger prizes like that. These are included in your fun pass credit as well. So I mean, they're a little bit expensive. It's like €2.50 for a go on the teddy grabber, but you know, if you've come to the end of your week and you've got a bit of credit left, then it's an easy way to spend a few extra euros.
Yeah, and I don't know if we've already said, but there is like opening times for this, but again, look on your daily activity sheet.
Yes.
But this is open.
It opens different
not till
times.
late.
It was
Yeah.
open up earlier,
Yeah.
and then now it's open 4 till,
It's not open, yeah.
I can't remember off the top of my head, maybe 4 till 7.
Yeah.
Check your sheet daily, because if you're going off somewhere later,
Yeah.
like we went to Naples, and we didn't get off the boat till 1 o'clock,
Yeah,
so
or
it
especially
changed.
like on a sea day, then it might be open all day, but we haven't experienced the actual full sea day yet, so when we'll do, we'll let you know if them times for that are different.
They've also got like an alien shooter game and air hockey. That's about it really. There's not too many of the arcade games for you to play.
My turn has come to have a little fun. Take a good look. It'll be your last. I call that getting lucky. Better luck next time. Beggars can't be choosers.
Stay on the grass.
I'm always on the grass.
So we've just done the 4D cinema and Kev's just had a go on F1 simulator. I couldn't do it, yeah.
It sent me a little bit funny, to be honest with you, but
It went on for ages.
I think it was like 5 minutes.
Was it?
Yeah, it was really long. It moves you. It's not like the other one I did on the Virtuoso. This one's on like a track, and it shifts you side to side and jerks you about a lot more than the other one.
Good job we hadn't had dinner first. Well, you hadn't had dinner first. But we've just got the bowling left to do now, so we'll have a go at that. The lanes are full at the moment, there's people on, but we'll have a go at some point and show you that. There we are, games are set up. Who's going to win, Kev?
This guy.
And last time we played on the MSC Virtuoso, we had the sides up because the ship was rocking. He's okay today, so we're not going to cheat. Wow! And you got the strike on the first go. You were straight in there.
No, won't do that again. Right, there you go, just to prove. Strike on the first go.
Right, okay, yeah, so in this half an hour, we get to have as many goes as we want. So obviously the quicker you are at doing it, the better. Just go down the grid that time. So yeah, you're better off just being quick and obviously getting as many goes in as you can.
That's the second game now. It doesn't tell you how long's left. There isn't a timer, so it's basically just play till you go.
Last 2 goes each. My fingers are killing me. I hate bowling.
Maybe she gets 3 strikes in a row. Well, that's the 10 goes. But there we are. So we had 2 full games for half an hour. I'm knackered. I'm all hot and sweaty. And well, we'll go and figure out what we're doing next. Right, so just behind us is the Sunset Beach Pool. The other side of Stacey is the Haven Lounge. And then in here, you've got your billiards room. So this is included in your fun pass. This is €10 for 1 hour. Okay? We haven't had time to do this, unfortunately. We've been such busy on this ship, recording all this content for you lot. But €10 for 1 hour of pool, billiards, whatever you want to call it, I think is good value. Right, okay, we're going to go on the water slides now. We'll switch over to the GoPro. First of all, you have to come to this table and sign up for your wristband. Right, that was wristband, MSC all slides. Now we've just got walk up 1,000 steps. Woo! Oh, the water's warm. Woo! God. Oh, it's good. Oh, me back. Told you. Yeah. Oh my God. I know. Kills your back. That's the brown one that kills your back. Oh God. Woo! I'm back. So that one I've just done was these ones that go over the side of the ship. Oh. They hit your back again, unless it's just my fat back. Woo! Oh God!
Oh my God! I felt like full of life!
Oh yeah! You ready for the drop? Whoa! Where did you go? So that's it now. That's all the fun things to do on the MSC Seaview.
I think the highlight has definitely got to be the ziplining. That's definitely a thing that you don't see on every single cruise, and I am so glad that I tried it. I really am.
Yeah, really fun. It was short, but it was fun. And it's not the most expensive at €10, so...
Oh, you glad I braved it?
Oh yeah, usually it's a good experience to do.
Yeah, definitely. On this cruise that we've shown you all these videos, we have actually only had one sea day. So it has been quite a lot we haven't made the most of everything.
It's been tough.
It has been tough trying to do everything. There's some things we haven't been able to do. We've tried to show you as much as we can, even if it's not us physically doing them. But yeah, we've just been so busy, and like you say, this is the only sea day that we've had, and not everything is always open. You have to make sure that you check your daily activities thing.
Yeah, you plan it.
Yeah, you plan it and make sure.
Non-sea days stuff's not as open as long. I mean, your sea date's open most of the day, so always double check. Don't go off an old one.
No, and obviously your fun pass, you're gonna get the best deal if you pre-book it before you get on board the ship. You're gonna get more value for money.
Yes.
So, well, like bowling is a nice thing to do in the evening, or like say on this, if you've got a sea day, like you've got the 4D cinema. So there is just like so much to do.
Yeah.
You're not going to get bored, let's just say.
Oh no, definitely not. But like they said, buy it before. We paid £72 and got £140 of credit. Euros. We brought £72 and got €140 of credit because we're in Europe at the moment. So they do it in euros.
But yeah, it's just amazing what some of these cruise ships just have nowadays. Like say one's even got a roller coaster. Like I can't wait to just go on future ones. And we've ziplined, we've gone on bridges on the MSC on a harness. So who knows what we're going to be doing next on there. But
if you want to see that, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, leave us a comment. What do you like doing on these cruise ships? Have you been on any of these ones with the bit of roller coaster stuff on them, or the arms and stuff like that?
Or if you have been on the MSC Seaview one, did you do the zip lining as well, and did you enjoy it?
Exactly. But thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time. Bye.